Good morning, kids, and very welcome back to you for math class. Now we will study about the from second chapter, page number 24. Page number 24 from second chapter. We have completed these all the numbers, number names. Okay, fun with the numbers we have completed. Now again today we will discuss about the place values only, but in a different method. In a different method we are going to discuss it. So first read this. Lazy Crazy also has a crazy way of taking money. He takes money in 100 rupees notes, 100 rupees notes, 10 rupees notes, and 1 rupee coin. Now find out how they will pay him for what they have taken. They have only the notes. I will show you 10 rupees notes, 1 rupees coin. It is only 1 rupees coin and 10 rupees note it is. And also 100 rupees note. 100 rupees note. Now, if he purchased, the elephant is for rupees. It's an example, not actually price. Okay, rupees. Elephant rupees 420. How he will pay? Okay, of 400 100 notes, how much 100 notes he has to pay? 4 hundreds. Okay, plus 10 rupees notes, how much he has to pay to become a 20 rupees? 2. Okay, 20 rupees. And 0 is 0, nothing is there. So 420, like this. Now 143 rupees. 143. 100 rupees only one note. 40 rupees 4 notes. 40. So 3 rupees 1 rupees coin 3. This monkey rupees 200 plus 40 plus 2 rupees coin 1 rupees 2 coins 55 rupees. Notes will 10 rupee note will be of 50 and plus 5 rupees. Okay, understood? Who am I? Match with the number. Who am I? Match with the number. I come between 40 and 50. And there is a 5 in my name. Who am I? It's asking, the number is asking to you. The number will be 40, between 40 and 50. But there is a 5 in that name. The middle of the 40 and 50 is 45. 5 is in its number. So 45. Same second. I have 9 in my name and am very closer to 90. 90 before 90 what it will come? 9 number. It has a 9 in its name. 90, 80, 9. Okay. If you hit a 4 after me, you score a century. Century means 100. Century means 100. If you add 4, hit means add. 4 is added to that number. You will get a score of, you score a century. Means 96. It means 96. I am equal to 10 notes of 10. 10 notes of 10. If 10 rupees 10 notes, what it makes? 10 note plus 1 10 plus 1 10, same like this 10. Okay, what it makes? 10 rupees 10 notes, 100. I am century plus half century. It means century means 100, half century means 50. 100 plus 50, 150. Okay, I am exactly in between 77 and 97. 77 and 97 has a gap of 20 numbers. The which is the 10th number of this both? Exactly in between means middle, half, at a middle, midpoint, 77 and 97 as the difference of 20 numbers. Which will be the 10th number here? 87. Okay, I hope so you understood this. And can I move to next? Okay, how many are these? I have shown you 100 rupees note. Okay, 10 rupees note. You have to count how many are these. 100 rupees notes are how much? Okay, any one number, single number is there? No. One coin is there? No. Then only here are 10 rupees note. 10 rupees note, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 means 40 rupees. Okay, only 10 will be 40 rupees. 100 rupees 2 note, 200. What will be this? Add both. 240 rupees. Okay, now this is of 100, 100, 100, 10, and you have to count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is of 9. 100 plus 100, 200. 200 plus 100, 300. Okay, hundreds are how much? 300s. 10 is 1. 9 is 1. Any others? No. Directly write now. 319 sticks. Okay. Now these are the blocks. This is a 100 blocks block. This is also 100s block, and this is of 10. And count this. How many are there in the ones place? 2. So first write ones place 2. Then directly write here 10. 10 means 1, and this is 200s. 212. Okay. Now this is a bunch of 100. This is of 3 tens. 100, 30, and this is of count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 138. Okay. Beads. Here again rupee. 100 rupee notes are 3. 20 rupees are 2. Coins are nothing. Rupees now. 1, 2, 300, 20. 320 rupees. Who am I? There is no biggest number. Take anyone can find. Add me to get the next one. To count, keep me in mind. Who am I? There is no biggest number. 0. Take any you can find. If you and me, add me to get the next one. Means now if 0 it is plus 1, what will be the answer? 1. To count, keep me in mind. While counting, keep me in mind. Now next, I am Chanda Mama. I have so many friends. Chanda Mama has so many friends. Which are the friends? Which twinkles in the sky? Stars. Who are the friends of Chanda Mama? Chanda Mama, where will be the Chanda Mama? Moon. Moon, where will be the moon? In the sky. And who are his friends? Stars. Chanda Mama friends, stars. Okay, so now, yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. His friends are stars. My friends are stars. One day, all of them came to my home. I started counting to see how many friends had come, but my friends were too many. So, to remember them numbers, I did something like this. What he did? Hello, everybody, he said. Means so many, uncountable. The numbers are uncountable. So, stars are also so much. We cannot count them. Chanda Mama counts, Moon Mama counts his starry friends. Means I counted one star and kept one card in my pocket. One card he has counted, one star, and he has made a pocket and kept in one. Five ones are this. For how many stars? These cards he has kept. One, 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 one. For each one. Means now count how many these are. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 stars. Okay. When I had 1 cards, I changed it with this card. When the 10 stars one group will be formed, that time the Chanda Mama is to keep this type card in his pocket. Means this is the 10th group of 10 it is. Group of 10. 1, 1, 1, 1 like this 10 cards he has to make, and when the 10 group is formed, he is to keep this one like this yellow card in his pocket. Now next, but my friends kept coming. They were again and again they are coming. So I had to count more stars. My pocket were getting full. Pockets were getting full. Means by after putting the cards in his pocket was full. So when I have 10 cards like this, I changed it with 100. Now when now 10 became, that time he used to change the card of 10 like this. Then after 10, this 10 cards, 10 is to become, that time he changed it to 100. This card, this type of card. But I have so many friends that my pockets kept getting full. Just see how many cards I had. Look at this. Alright, everybody in a line, we will play a game. They started a playing game. Yes, cards will I have in my pockets if I have counted up to. Now 19. Tens was one group. Okay, this will be of one. Now 21. How you are going to 21, friends? Tens will be of 1 plus 2 because 2 group of 10 it is, and plus 1 of 1. Now 95. 9 is in the tens place. How many 9s are here? 10. Means like this kinds will be of 9 cards. 10 10 10 5 10 9 cards of 10, and plus 5 will be, ones will be of 5. Ones will be of 5. 1 are of 5. Okay. 201. Okay. 260. Now you have to form 260. Hundreds, how many hundreds are here? 2. Okay. 100. 100. Now 6. Tens are of 6. Okay. 6 tens and 0 ones. This now 300. 300 hundreds will be of 3. Chanda Mama count hundreds like this. Now 306. 10 is not there only. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 6 are here. 6, how many 6? How many ones? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 344. 344. Now 344. How much will be there? 344. 300. Hundreds will be of 3 cards. 44. 4 tens will be of 4. 4 tens. Okay, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 350. 1, 2, 3. And tens will be of 5. 5 tens. 0 ones. Now 400. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, understood? Now this, turn the page number 28. Today, page number 28. When I had 10 cards in my pocket, I knew I had counted 20. Yes, if 10, 2 are there, you used to count, Chandamama used to count 20 stars. Now you tell me the number of stars counted in each case. Write the answer in the blank space. Now 10 tens are, how many of 10 are here? 2. Okay, ones are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, here 3, here 3. 10 plus 10, 23. Okay, here 100. 100 and 3 tens means 330. Now here 3 hundreds and 1 10. 310. Okay, here hundreds are of 1, 1, 2, 3. 3 hundreds. 1, 10, 1. Okay, now ones, how many ones are? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. Here are only hundreds, 4 hundreds. Okay, and here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hundreds and no tens, only 0 tens and only 3 ones. Ones are how much? 3 ones. Okay, now this, how many hundreds are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 3 tens. How many ones? Only 1. Okay, here are 100. How many hundreds? Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What it will be? 10 hundreds means 1000. This is the 4-digit number. Okay. Guess how many stars all I have in nice new patterns. Okay. Kids, today we stop our class here. And please, kids, write it in your notebook. Daily go on writing in your notebook. Dailies, whatever we have sent, write it in your notebook. Page number 24. Today's writing will be page number 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. So we have finished our second chapter here, and we will discuss the remaining in our next class. Till that, take care. Have a nice day. Bye, kids. Everybody complete your homework in your notebook. Go on writing daily. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in my live class. So kids, we stop our video here. Till that, take care. Have a nice day. Complete your homeworks and write it in your notebook. Daily go on writing tables and by heart it whenever I ask to drill. Please drill it in the live class.